Hey, thanks for clicking. I just wanted to make a quick video just to explain the specifics of my service. So to start off, is this a scam? I know everyone gets dozens of phone calls and messages every single day by digital marketers trying to pitch their Facebook ad service, and it can get a little disorienting since many of them either don't have any previous experience or are just outright trying to scam you. So I like to distinguish my service from the rest right at the beginning. So I do offer a full money back guarantee on the leads that I generate. So even if in the worst case scenario, something happens, you still have the opportunity to make back your money in surplus. Just to highlight the main benefits, high quality leads. So what I found is compared to some of the lead generation systems that you might currently be using like Homestars, Facebook ads just offers a higher quality in the customers that you'll be getting. Social exposure goes without saying. In getting these leads, you'll be showing your ads to thousands of people and perhaps everyone in your immediate area, and word spreads. Continued ad testing. So I do have a team that's committed to continuously testing your ads, so making sure that they're performing at the optimal levels, checking the text, checking the images, checking if they are reaching the right people, and most importantly checking if they're actually creating leads. So just to outline the specifics of how it works, we create lead generation ad campaigns over on Facebook. And to explain that, to be honest, you can pay somebody $200 per month. You can find a pretty large scale company downtown that's doing digital marketing. But the problem with this is, with charging $200 per month, they actually end up just creating base template ads that don't actually end up doing anything. So they'll create traffic campaigns, they'll copy paste your name into the text portion, and they'll just directly run, with stock images and stuff like that. And what ends up happening is that you don't actually end up getting any customers out of it. And in this case, we create lead generation ad campaigns that are geared towards, like the name states, actually generating leads. And another point that plays into this is interest targeting. So we target people that would be more interested in purchasing your services. So people that would be interested in home improvement, home and garden, the right ages that were, in the area people would be financially able to purchase your services in the first place. And how this ends up getting transferred over to you is we can either send the leads after they've opted in directly to your text, to your email, or to whatever CRM that you're currently using. So in my opinion, why Facebook ads is better than Homestars, Homestars has its own set of advantages and so does Facebook ads. So higher return on investment. What I found is with Facebook ads, the customers and leads that you get, they're a lot more responsive and willing to pick up your phone call compared to Homestars. I've gotten a lot of complaints from people that are on Homestars. It might seem like you're getting a lot of leads, but most of them just end up staying as a name and a phone number, and they might not even pick up the phone. So attracting the right customers. I found that on Homestars, the customers that you end up attracting are people that are in a bid to the bottom. Right? They will try to get the lowest price possible. So there's actually a statistic that say only 22% of people that go on Homestars actually purchase from the first person that they see. The other 78% look at up to 6 or more companies, right? And what ends up happening is they are trying to get the lowest price possible since they've actively reached out over on Homestars trying to get a service done. And it just ends up becoming a bit to the bottom. It plays into increasing the quality of your business. If you play into people that want the lowest price possible, not only are you lowering the quality of your business, but in the case that you have to cut corners because of the service, you won't be able to defend yourself as much, because these are the kinds of people that will leave a bad review on all of your platforms, right? And just with increasing the quality, you're creating a platform over on Facebook where you now are in competition with some of the other home improvement companies that are already establishing themselves and running ads. Staying in touch, right? With if you can get people to like your Facebook page, then it becomes a lot easier to interact with past and current customers, especially since you can retarget them, and also perhaps get them interested in an additional service. So getting started, I'm not going to lie and say that there's, no existing competition over on Facebook. By the day it's getting more flooded with companies, and that's exactly why, the sooner you get into it, the higher the reward, right? Home improvement industry is a high ticket industry, right? With that, a lot of companies are putting a lot of budget into their ads, and it's getting shown to a lot more people. And the price of Facebook ads is, on a steep increase. It's a lot more expensive than it was just last year. So that's pretty much everything. So if you're interested in getting started, feel free to send me a message and we can get something worked out. Thanks for watching.